Welcome to the My Channel Global Car, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. If you love staying ahead of the curve when it comes to cars, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into what makes the 2025 Toyota Aygo X a standout in the city car segment. The Toyota Aygo X has always been known for its compact size, urban-friendly design, and fun personality. For 2025, Toyota has given it a refreshing update that keeps its charm but adds modern flair. The new Aygo X continues with its distinctive crossover-inspired stance, offering higher ground clearance and a more commanding driving position than typical small hatchbacks. The bold color choices, contrasting roof, and stylish LED lighting give it a unique look that pops in city traffic. Under the hood, the 2025 Aygo X remains powered by an efficient 1.0-liter three-cylinder petrol engine, tuned for urban efficiency and low running costs. While it's not designed for speed, its lightweight and responsive steering make it incredibly nimble and fun to drive in tight spaces. You can choose between a smooth manual transmission or an easy-to-use CVT for stress-free city commuting. Inside, Toyota has made the cabin more comfortable and tech-savvy. The latest infotainment system features a crisp touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected on the go. The higher trim levels offer a premium audio system, wireless phone charging, and upgraded interior materials, making this little car feel surprisingly upscale. Practicality hasn't been forgotten. Despite its small size, the Aygo X offers smart storage solutions, a decent boot space for everyday shopping, and excellent visibility all around. Plus, Toyota's reputation for reliability means you can count on it for years to come. Safety is also a priority. The